my name is Agnes and I'm from Toronto, and I've been investing for forever. I'm from India and my family has always been investing, and when I moved to Canada about 33 years ago, we started investing in Canada, and I see the opportunity in the States right now, and that is why I'm here to learn from Steve. I've been researching US real estate for almost 2 years, and I've decided this is the right time, and that is what I can afford right now. It has always been our dream to own a piece of the pie many years ago when the kids were young, and like it's the playground for the kids, and now we're close to retirement and we want warmer weather. So it's affordable right now, so we might as well pick it up right now. I've been to other programs and I have come to Steve's course, and I think it's the easiest to learn from him. He's been very clear and specific in all the steps you take, and I think he's held my hand, and I'm even more comfortable than ever. Like for 1.5 years, I've been trying to do my own research, and I never got the answers from the States. I keep asking them. I phone lawyers and I phone real estate agents, and nobody has a clear-cut answer. And so I've been floundering around. If I had bought last year, it would have been cheaper, but I never got the right answers and I wasn't brave enough to do it. But once I have come to Steve's course, he has told us all about all the nitty-gritty, and I am very cautious. I'm a salesperson in Toronto, and since I'm so cautious in Toronto, I have to be cautious about the States too. But now that I've learned, and I've been checking whatever Steve has been telling me, I've been checking out with my friends who work with the federal government and all that. There's nothing fishy about what I'm doing. Everything is clear cut, and I feel comfortable in investing there. Through my experience, since I've done the others, I never got the right answers. It was all wishy-washy. But Steve is clear cut, and he has helped, at least he has helped me to understand how I can do it the easy way. Money is almost at par, and it wasn't that like that a few years ago. It's affordable, and the market is down. People say it may go down further, but I don't see how much worse it could get. If it does go down a little bit, it's like buying stocks. You either buy high or you buy low, or you buy in the median, and if you can buy on the low or the median, you know it's going to go high.